Okay, good morning, children. Class 8th. So, yesterday we completed worksheet number 23 of chapter 12, friction. And today we are going to continue with the next worksheet number 24. Kindly write name, date, class, section, roll number. Again, this is of chapter number 12. So, let's continue. A question part is tick the correct option. Statement 1 is given for you. We can live happily if friction is not present in nature. Statement 2. Aeroplane is shaped streamlined to reduce the friction. So I will suggest everyone, first of all, read the statements clearly. And after that, we are going for the options. So how many of you think that both the statements are true? And second statement is a correct explanation. Kindly go for the options and give me the answer. True. Third is
Ma'am,
first
ma'am
is true.
statement.
Second
Ma'am
statement.
statement.
First statement
Ma'am
one is
statement.
false and two is true.
Beta, please, I need the option. Give me the option.
Ma'am D.
D option
Ma'am,
is correct. Okay.
D.
Statement 1 is false and true is second is true. Good. Number 2, the tires of the vehicles get heated after they move on road. This is because of the conservation, absorption of heat, friction between the tires and road.
Ma'am,
C.
friction between the
Ma'am
tire
C.
Yes, it is C.
and C.
Which of the following
Ma'am, C.
reduces friction in a rotating motion? So
Ma'am
Ma'am,
ball
B.
bearing. C.
it is a ball bearing. In
Ma'am,
which of the following
C, ball
cases
bearing.
is friction desirable? Desirable means we need a friction. Movement of a piston in a cylinder, running on a track, a vehicle speeding. So I think all of these is
Ma'am
the
all of these.
appropriate answer
Ma'am, option
because in
C,
all
ball
three
bearing.
of this we need the friction is required. This is desirable. Next, the joints of door of Rashmi's door was producing sound. To solve this problem, she must apply sawdust, water, sand,
Ma'am D.
oil. So
Ma'am,
already we
oil
have
in-
discussed this that we have need to apply a oil as the oil helps to reduce the friction. So children, up to here everybody has done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If anybody is left, we can wait. Next is number 6. Sanju runs his toy car on dry marble floor, wet marble floor, newspaper, towel on the floor simultaneously. The force of friction acting on a
Ma'am,
car on the
option
different
A.
surfaces in the increasing order. Children, you have to mark what will be happen in the increasing
Ma'am
order.
option A.
Ma'am, option A.
Okay. The wet marble floor, dry marble floor, newspaper, and after in the last the towel. Okay. So mark the D option. A option, sorry. Next is you need to complete the statement. Friction depends
Option correct on sixth part.
on the dash of similarities.
Irregularities. Irregularities and
Yes,
regularities.
Harshit, what are you
Ma'am,
asking?
smoothness.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, smoothness.
what is the answer of sixth?
A part.
Ma'am regularities and irregularities of surfaces.
Ma'am, smoothness.
What?
Smoothness.
No.
Ma'am, irregularities.
Ma'am irregularities.
Ma'am, friction depends upon the irregularities of surface. Sliding friction is dash then static friction.
Less.
Less.
Aeroplane has streamlined to reduce.
Ma'am, friction. Reduce air
Friction
friction.
already is there.
Ma'am, air friction.
Yes.
Fluid.
Friction is a
Ma'am. Ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, in third there can be fluid friction.
Yes, it can be fluid friction, but aeroplane if is there. So aeroplane की अगर बात हो रही है तो we'll talk about the air. If together we are talking about air and water, then we can write down the fluid friction. Number 5, frictional force on an object in a fluid. Now the fluid means both we are talking about air and water. Depends on its dash with respect to the fluid, shape of the object and dash. This is in your book. That fluid
Ma'am,
friction.
first dash there will be speed.
Fluid friction of an object in a fluid depends upon its
And in second, the nature of the
nature. First of
Speed.
all, yes,
ma'am, speed will come.
speed. Three things are there on which the fluid friction depends.
Ma'am, speed. First is speed.
And then is the nature of the object.
Ma'am, nature of the object.
So these are the three things on which the fluid friction of an object depends in the fluids. First is the speed,
Ma'am, 2.
after that shape of the object, and second is the nature of the object. So three things are there: speed, shape, and nature. Okay, let's continue with question number C. Very short answer type questions. Why do we rub our hands together on chilled morning? That we
Ma'am,
used
to
to
warm
do.
our hands. To warm our hands.
Okay, or
Ma'am,
we want.
rubbing something continuously produce heat, so our hand will
Gets
be
warm.
warm.
Yes. So the both things are there. We rub our hands to produce heat or to produce warmth. Kindly write down. To produce heat or to produce warmth. Why is it difficult to drive on a wet road? Children, I am writing in a very short manner. You have to write the complete answer. Why is it difficult to drive on a wet road? What happens?
Ma'am,
because it
due
reduces
to
the friction.
Beta, one has to speak. Yes, Akriti, speak.
Ma'am, because it reduces the friction.
It con. What is it?
ma'am, due to water, the friction get reduced, so it is difficult to drive on a wet road.
Okay. Anybody else?
Ma'am, because the grip is not there.
Beta,
Grip is very less.
you have to explain. Means write in a proper way. You are saying that grip is not there. So what should I understand? Grip with whom? या तो ये लिखिए आपकी the grip with the tire and the road.
Tire and the road.
Nobody is able to understand ना कौन से grip की बात कर रहे हो. Maybe you will be thinking something else.
Okay.
So on the wet road, what happens? The friction is reduced. That's why. So kindly write down. Friction is reduced. Friction is reduced on wet road. That's why it's difficult. Kindly continue with the question even. Madhav, switch on your cameras. Madhav, Monali, Himang, Goel. Next, why is sliding friction less than a static friction? Already you have written that sliding friction is less than the static friction. What can be the answer? And in the same way, rolling friction is less than the sliding friction. What can be the answer for it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
because in sliding friction there we need less force, and in static friction we have make more force.
To apply a much force. Okay, anybody else?
ma'am, during sliding, contact points do not get enough time to get interlocked properly.
Okay, this is also good. Anybody else want to say why sliding friction is less than the static friction? Anybody else? So the same reason is there, because in this case, in the sliding friction, we have to apply much lesser force as compared to the static friction. Children, again, I am saying to switch on your cameras. Each one of you have to sit with the switch on cameras. Kindly write down yourself. In sliding friction, we have to apply less force as compared to the static friction. Two objects A and B are moving on rough surface as shown in the figure. If A has greater velocity than B, which of these will experience more friction and why? I hope the question is clear to you. Two objects A and B moving on the same rough surface. A has great velocity. Velocity means you can take the speed. A is moving with a greater speed than B. Which of these will experience more friction? A or B? And why? Tell me. A is moving with a greater speed than B. And weight
Ma'am,
is shown in the figure. A ka weight
Ma'am, because A
50 kg.
is less than B, so
Yes.
we apply less force than B.
आप मुझे ये बताइए first what will be the answer? Which of these will experience more friction?
ma'am, B.
Ma'am, B.
B. Now tell me the reason. Why?
Ma'am, because it is moving in less speed and it have more weight.
More weight, as well as it will exert more irregularities with the surface, with the road, because the road is also rough and more is the weight. So that's why it is moving with a slow speed. So A is moving with a very high speed. So which of these will experience more friction? More friction is with B. It is exerting more frictional force. Okay, because of its heavy weight and rough surface. Two reasons are there. So kindly write down yourself. B will exert more force. Because of heavier weight and rough surface. Okay. Understood the question? Next. Identify whether in the following cases the friction is helpful or troublesome. Give reason for your answer. Lightning a matchstick. So you have to tell whether it is a friend or foe, helpful or troublesome. Sarthak Sehgal. Lightening a mastic. Is it helpful or troublesome? B part, applying the brakes on a cycle. C part, use a towel to open a tightly closed lid of a bottle. Yes, Sarthak Sehgal, will you give an answer? Any of
Yes,
the,
ma'am.
any of one part?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I give a B?
Okay, give off B.
Ma'am, it's helpful because it helps in our break and helps in stopping of our cycle when we are in very high speed. So, ma'am, it helps in stopping of our cycle.
We need the reason also. Kindly give the reason. Your chapter is
Ma'am,
of friction, so I need the reason of friction related to friction. What will happen if you apply a brake on a cycle?
Ma'am, if we apply brake on a cycle, it's ma'am, first that steel part, ma'am, it's
And-
increase in friction happens when we use brake paddles.
Okay, anybody else? Veronica? Any one part of it, lightening a mastic or use a towel to open a tightly closed lid of a bottle. As you have seen that we used to do it.
Ma'am, A. Ma'am, can I give A?
Yes.
Ma'am, it is troubleful because friction produces heat.
It is troublesome because friction produces heat. Okay. We can take it
Ma'am, can I
as,
tell of C?
yes, tell.
Ma'am, using a towel to open a tightly closed lid helps in making the grip. And
So
if
is
there
it
is no
helpful?
grip,
No. Is it
yes,
helpful?
ma'am, it is helpful.
Okay, it is helpful. So reason?
It helps in making grip, and without grip, without if there is no grip equals there is no friction. So it is not possible to open the tightly closed lid
So
of a
C
bottle
part, you have
without
said that it is
grip.
helpful.
Yes.
Ma'am, B part is also helpful.
B part is also helpful. But beta, you have to give answers, reasons also. Why it is helpful and why not.
Apply the brakes.
It is troublesome. Kindly give the reasons also. As she has given the reason for lightening a mastic, as it produces a heat. Rubbing produces a heat. ठीक है? उसके बाद second वाले में आ गया आपका applying a brake on a cycle. That is helpful because in any of the circumstances, it helps us to provide a grip. Pedals, like the brake pedals, they help us to provide a grip with the road wherever, whenever we require to apply a brake. Use a towel to open a tightly closed lid of a bottle because the surface is made rough, and when the surface is made rough, then friction is increased, and we can use it in our daily life. It is quite helpful for us. So kindly write down the reasons for all these.